Today I'm going to be showing you the student experience of our Mentor AI that has been integrated into the D2L Brightspace. So you can see that we're in a course in Brightspace, and the Mentor is actually integrated as a side panel. There are a couple of different tabs right here where we can, select from to ask specific questions or summarize, translate, expand upon the content of the course. So I'm going to just ask, how do I understand linear regression better? So you can see this course is a supervised learning algorithms course. So we're asking questions related to that. And you can see here that the mentor is actually responding based off my question, giving me information, giving me the basic concepts, an equation for this, a couple of other definitions, and providing an example in addition to practice, how we can practice with this information to get a better understanding of what linear regression is. Now, if we wanted to go to the Translate tab, what I'm actually going to do is just copy and paste some text from this chat tab and go to the Translate. And I'm going to say, translate the following text to Spanish, and copy or paste that information from the first tab there. And you can see that the mentor actually just responds back with the same exact text, just in a different language. This is helpful, especially for people who don't speak English as their first language, or maybe even taking a language course and need to understand a little bit more of how the translation from English to another language works. And the Expand tab will actually give you a lengthier explanation of the content. So in this case, like I said, it's about supervised learning algorithms, and it's going to give us a couple of different examples, like linear regression, as we've already seen, logistical regression, and I believe a couple of other things here. Yep, we have decision trees. And this kind of just breaks it down what the concept is, an example of it, some additional insights, and so on and so forth. And you can also use the Summarize tab to summarize the content on the page if you'd like. The mentor can be made to be context aware, which means it can read the information on the page and respond back based on that. And yeah, that's basically the experience for a learner that is taking a course in Brightspace and using our mentor.